there, I'm going to tell you something I bet your mom never told you. I want to share this with you, one girl to another, so it doesn't take you by surprise like it did for me. There are about 100 signs and symptoms of menopause and perimenopause, and some of them are really weird. Some of these are interrelated, but many seem totally unrelated, and it took years before I finally realized they were connected to my changing hormones. So whether you're 20 or 60, you want to know what the symptoms are so you don't wonder why your body's doing all these strange things all of a sudden. Okay, so here we go. 100 possible symptoms of perimenopause and menopause in less than 5 minutes. Have you had some of those symptoms? Let me know in the comments. Which ones have been the most surprising or difficult for you? And if you have any questions, like at what age does perimenopause begin, or how long does it last, or what can you do to alleviate symptoms, or is HRT safe, you're definitely going to want to watch this video next. Some of them may be symptoms of a totally different health issue, so always talk to your doctor about your symptoms and get checked out.